Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Buy section. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the one you wish to acquire. Remember, different providers may offer varying rates and fees, so it's wise to compare before proceeding. This initial step sets the foundation for your crypto acquisition. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you'll need to specify the amount you want to buy. Trust Wallet integrates with multiple third-party providers, such as Simplex or MoonPay, to facilitate these purchases. Each provider has its own minimum and maximum transaction limits, along with different processing times. Carefully review these details to ensure they align with your purchasing needs. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've chosen a provider, you'll be redirected to their secure platform to complete the payment. Here, you'll enter your credit or debit card details. For certain transaction amounts, or if it's your first time using a provider, you might need to complete a Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification. This usually involves uploading identification documents to comply with financial regulations. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details presented by the provider. This includes the total cost, any associated fees, and the exact amount of cryptocurrency you will receive. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Once confirmed, the transaction will process, and your newly acquired crypto will be deposited directly into your Trust Wallet, usually within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.